Pre-health students are really focused on where they're going. So PT, PA, med school, podiatry, dentistry, all those different disciplines have very distinctive prerequisites, and some of them have very distinctive exams that they need to take, like the MCAT for the pre-med students. So we're working with them as freshmen first semester to discern schools initially, but also to remember, okay, what's your talking points? Why do you want to be a doctor? Why do you want to be a physical therapist? We have an exercise science minor that gives them great practical experience. All those things, again, are results-based, and so when I speak with those students initially, I'm talking to them about how am I going to plan your 4 years. We'll put together that personal plan for you, and we'll develop that based on the needs that you have. Do I want to be here for 4 years? Do I want to go to Gaming and have that study abroad experience? How do we work that in and also then go straight into med school as opposed to having a gap year? So there's a lot of moving parts with a lot of the pre-health students, getting them to that next level. Some of them will finish and take a gap year or go and do a post-baccalaureate or do research through our FISH program, and they might get a job and realize 2 years later, wow, I think I really do want to go to med school. Okay, I'm still their pre-health advisor. They still contact me as alums and say, all right, I'm to that point now, doc, I want to know what else do I need to do, or how can I refresh my skills? And so I'm still invested in them even after they've been gone for 2 years, because they're still Franciscan students to me. They're still a part of our legacy, and so I really want them to know that we're still invested in them even after they graduated from med school. We want them to come back and then share their experiences with our current pre-meds and build that legacy, that collegiality that is so important at a small school like Franciscan. That's who we are. And that's not just, the tagline, that's exactly who we are. We're a small school with big opportunities.